Welcome back, everybody, girls and boys. So this is the unboxing. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what's in store. Alright, my peeps. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Whoo! Get the CD, the driver, and the user guide. Okay. Cool. Nice. Alright. Cool. The manual. Flip through it pretty quickly. Oh man. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, this is the main juice. Okay, so we get a little okay. Some type of cable most likely goes into this to power it up. This is the actual device. Cool. You could barely read that. Trinet AC 1900 high power dual band wireless USB adapter. Model ID. See caution for manual. Okay. Don't want to take too long. I have limited footage on this. I only have 13 minutes, my piece. And these are the 4 antennas. 4 individual antennas. And alright, we'll see how this works then. Alright, my peeps. So that's this. Oops. This item here. I'm gonna put it together on another video once I get over there. Yeah, because I gotta leave soon and I gotta load everything up. So I'm just gonna do another unboxing and then start prepping up to head out of here. Alright, so this is this unboxing. So that's pretty much what is in this, what comes in the box. And obviously each little antenna is gonna go to right here. It's gonna go screwed in. So I'll do this later. So there you go, my peeps. That's the unboxing for this. I'm excited. We're gonna put it to the test. Hopefully this thing makes miracles. It makes everything so much faster and smoother, and I could go ahead and edit and upload and do research and and pretty much, you know, do what I have to do with this beautiful tool. It's an investment, so hopefully this allows me to, you know, do what I gotta do so I can reach out to all of you girls and boys out there, you know. So we'll see what happens, everybody. Alright, so we're gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna read the manual. I'm gonna find out what's up. Always read the manual. Alright, so you can know exactly what to do. And watch YouTube videos if you have to. And yeah, and so we're gonna put it to the test, my peeps. And hopefully it was worth 60 bucks and I don't regret it, and it's a badass investment. Alright, everyone, that's it. So I'll check y'all later then. Peace, love, and